Discover Mazzy, the programmable do-it-yourself robot. 2 robots in 1. Build the robot or the off-road vehicle. Includes more than 100 pieces easy to assemble. Learn the basics of robotics and electronics with Mazzy. Amazing facial expressions. Easy programming with more than 400 actions. Have fun building and programming. Download the app and drive Mazzy with your tablet or smartphone. Start in the world of robot programming and control its movements, sounds, and emotions. Challenge your friends and demonstrate who is the fastest and most skilled escaping from the maze. Enjoy hours of learning and fun without limits. Mazzy. Build, code, play.